Are you looking to sell your home this summer? While we're still in a strong seller's market, there's a widening gap between homes that are ready for the market and those that aren't. If you want your home to be a winner on the open market, you probably need to make your home as ready and attractive to buyers as possible. It's proven that the more showings you have, the more likely you are to have a faster sale and net a higher price. That's why today I'm sharing 3 ways you can get your house ready for the showings this summer. Number 1, take care of minor repairs up front. Right now, buyers' number 1 concern is higher interest rates and affordability. Now, as a result, they want to put as much money down as they can to lower their monthly payments. Taking care of cosmetic repairs up front is a good idea even in a normal market, but higher interest rates mean that this step is more important than ever. Number 2, do some staging. Think about an ideal model home. It's clean, standardized, and impersonal. Your goal should be to get as close to that image as possible. Your home likely has a lot of personalized touches like odd furniture, family photos, or maybe even an off-colored wall. Now, I recommend trying to depersonalize your home as much as possible so prospective buyers can picture themselves living in your property. Plus, by packing everything away, you'll make moving easier once you sell your house. Number 3, have a plan for children and pets. Your showings probably won't go smoothly if there's your dog or young children running around. Now instead, work with your agent to create a showing schedule with blocks of time when your home is ready for the buyer. This way, you and your buyers won't be disrupted. I recommend putting dogs in kennels just for the short time that you'll be having showings. While moving your pets around might be a little work, it's worth it to keep your house in pristine condition when buyers are viewing it. If you want a detailed showing plan or list of repairs to make before you list your home, please call or email me. I'd love to help you navigate this housing market.